not order the boneless couch from Temu. All right? Listen, I seen it on Temu. It was a great price. So I said, hey, this is a couch. I need it for my Airbnb. Let's do it. And when it was after it was set up, this is why when I go to Buffalo Wild Wings, I always get bone in. Pause. Because I am a traditional type of man. This boneless stuff, this couch is just a chicken nugget. All right? For a chicken nugget. All right? What do I mean? A chicken nugget for a chicken nugget. This couch is for a 2-year-old. All right? You are seeing a 43-year-old man sit on a couch for a 2-year-old. All right, so this is what I have. This black boneless couch. Yeah, the Facebook ad got me. All right, so let's see, all right, how tall this couch is. All right. The couch stands about 14 inches tall. All right, so I didn't look at the measurements, so I don't know if Temu provided that information or not, all right? Temu, whatever they call it, I don't know if they provided information or not, but this is what I ended up with, and obviously for my Airbnb, I'm going to need a couch, all right? I'm going to need another couch. Now, I also thought this was like, well, this is a 2-in-1. This is great, right? No. All right, so let's look at my 2-in-1 feature. So, I'm going to remove the pillows, okay? Remove the pillows, and now it turns into a 2-in-1. What do I mean by a 2-in-1? All right, okay? So, let's go to sleep. Bro, I'm on the floor, bro. I'm literally on the floor, all right? So, for those who can't see exactly where I'm at off the floor, I'm 4 inches off of the floor, bro. Listen, Temu, you got me. You got me good. You got me good. You got me good. And I'm too damn lazy to put this back in the box, right? Because it's spread out, comes in a small box. And when it came in the small box, I said, well, maybe I got to put it together. And then when I opened it, I realized what they meant by boneless. Yeah, so this ain't good. This ain't good. This ain't good. This ain't good. So, yeah, so this boneless couch, I'm going to give it 0 stars out of 5 stars, all right? Definitely a 0 star, not even a 1. I was definitely fooled. I have to go back on Facebook Marketplace to get another couch because the last person stayed here for a year. And the couch, it was holes and things in the couch. It was worn out, too much wear and tear. So it just has to go. It had to go. And I figured out, find another couch for $200. What's that? And I seen this on sale, and the Facebook ad didn't look small. I didn't pay attention to the dimensions, so that's my fault. But it was cheap, of course. That's how they got me. And don't go boneless. Don't go boneless. Especially like if you were like born in the late 1900s, you entered high school in the late 1900s, or you got out of high school in the early 2000s, all right? When I say early 2000s, pre-2006, all right? Don't go boneless, all right? We didn't grow up like that, all right? Yes, we had chicken nuggets and all that, but when we became adults, what did we do? We got some wings, man. We got some wings, so always bone in. So now I gotta go find me a bone-in couch on Facebook Marketplace because this boneless is not the way to go. All right, guys. So listen, right? What did we learn today? Do not get the boneless couch from Temu. All right, they pulled a number on me. They got me good. All right, so say no to boneless, bone in. All right. So look, guys. Make sure y'all click on this video next to me about Airbnb properties. I'm Nasa, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a duru because I actually do this business.